Hi, my name is Kendall. I'm 23 years old. I live in Utah. I'm in school to become a special education teacher. I want to teach all kids with autism. I'm also working at Chick-fil-A. Let's see. I'm excited for this game. I guess I've just been a lot more encouraged in games recently. Just like not give up and to put my best foot forward. Jesus Christ. I love Harry Potter. I love Star Wars. Ewoks are my absolute favorite. I'm a Taurus. I'm obsessed with food and I'm very stubborn. I am hoping to have a better placement in this game than the other games I've had recently. Last decent placement I had was 6 months ago, so hoping for the best here. Really am. I'm trying to think. I love Taylor Swift. I don't know if I said that. I love Taylor Swift. My favorite Disney movie is Cinderella. Harley Quinn's my bitch. I'm really excited for this game. Yeah, let's do this, guys.